Children, today we are going to learn script letter D. Which letter, children? Script letter D. We have already learned the capital letter D, the big one. Okay. Look here, children. This is script letter D. And the sound of D is D. D. Dolphin. D. Dinosaur. D. Desk. D. Diamond. Now let's learn how to write script letter D, children. We will make C curve from first blue line to second blue line like this. Okay. And we will join this with a standing line from red line to second blue line. This is script letter D. Let's write one more time. We will make a C curve from first blue line to second blue line, and we'll join this C curve with a standing line, that is from first red line to second blue line. Let's write one more time. C curve between two blue lines. Let's join it with a standing line, that will be from red line to second blue line. This is script letter D, children. Now we will draw two pictures which starts from script letter D. First we will draw a dustbin and a dog. So look here. To draw a dustbin, we will draw a standing line like this. Okay, children. Little bit far, another standing line. Right. We will join it with a sleeping line at down. And here we will make a curve. And from here a upward slanting line. And we will join this slanting line with a curve again. So this is a lid of dustbin. Right? And what we will write here? U S E. This all will be in a capital letters, right? That is use. And here capital M and capital E. Use me. This is dustbin. Next we will draw a dog. For that, we have to draw a mountain curve like this. And we will make two sleeping lines. Small. Okay. And we will draw one more mountain curve. And we will join it here. In the center, we will make a circle. This will be his face. So we will draw two small circles. This will be eyes. A triangle. Dog's nose. Okay. And two sleeping lines. And here we will make two oval shape. This will be ears. And here a tail. So this is dog. So children, today we have learned script letter D, right? We also learned how to write script letter D. We draw two pictures. Let's learn script letter D in your activity book. So open page number 7. As you all can see here, script letter D is there, and these are the pictures which starts from letter D. So come on, read it out. Script letter D. D for den. D for donkey. D for drum. D for dustbin. D for diamond. Now let's see the next page. Page number 8. Look here. Draw one related picture for D. So here in this box, you all have to draw one picture related to letter D. Okay. Now trace and write. Here we will trace the dotted lines and we will write script letter D. We will start with first red line to second blue line, a standing line, right? And C curve from first blue line to second blue line, and we will touch it here. So this is script letter D. One more time I'll show you. From first red line to second blue line, a standing line, and C curve from first blue line to second blue line and touch it here. Okay, one more time. A standing line and a C curve. Again, a standing line and a C curve. Let's write one more time. A standing line and C curve. So like this you all have to complete till here. Okay. Now let's see the playway exercise. Write script letter D for the pictures that begin with the letter D. See, you all have to identify this picture and you have to write script letter D if the picture begins with it. Okay. So first is, what is this? Diamond. Does it start with letter D? Yes. So we will write script letter D. Okay. The next picture is of a baby. So does it start with letter D? No. So we will not write here anything. Okay. The next picture is of camera. So it starts with letter D? No. So we will keep this box empty. And this picture is of an anchor, right? It also does not start with letter D. So this box also we will leave empty. And the last one is scary dinosaur. Yes. Does it start with letter D? Yes. So we will write script letter D in this box. Okay, children. So like this you all have to complete this activity book. Okay. Bye.